Marshak, and I wrote a little play called Please Cry Wolf. And it basically takes the classic Boy Who Cried Wolf stories, but modernizes them a little bit with a little bit of a twist. Laurel is playing my Boy Who Cried Wolf, Max. Tommy Flynn is playing my wolf. Emily Chelino is playing Sophie. Joey Cashman is playing Jake, and Julia Fremont is playing Ryan. And I hope you all enjoy.
Wolf is a word I use instead of help. Help, and everyone turns a blind eye. Words like wolf and fire, and then suddenly everyone turns back around, curious at the danger around them. That's how society works. You keep their interest, and you'll be fine. You lose their interest, and you're as good as dead. And so there I was, in the middle of the forest, no idea how I got in there. I just woke up and bam, I was there. That's not even the crazy part. When I was walking around trying to figure out where I was, a wolf pounced on me, and then we had an epic battle, and I ended up running up a tree trying to get away from him, and then I think I stayed up there for a couple of hours. It was crazy.
Wow, dude, that's crazy. Yeah. You get any cool scars or anything? Yeah.
Yeah. Any proof? Do you honestly believe them without any kind of evidence to prove their true lie?
Hey Max, do you want to work on the bio project later?
Yeah, sure.
Ooh, you two having a little date? Sure sounds like it.
Can you just knock it off?
Dude, you act like an idiot in front of her.
What do you mean?
Oh yeah, sure. You act so awkward. How do you even manage to function?
I wasn't that awkward.
It's pathetic, the way you just sit there and squirm in your chair, hiding behind your fairy tales.
Okay, can you please just go away?
Yeah, without me, who's there gonna be to keep you in line?
Well, you're not doing a very good job of that anyway.
You'll like me someday.
I doubt that. Listen, can you please just give me a minute of silence? Just one. $58, $59, $60. Sometimes all you need is just 1 minute.
Okay, so you both have to promise me not to say anything to him while he's here, okay?
Oh, come on. You know we're already kidding. It's fun to mess with him.
Well, don't. Alright, out of my room, go. Here. Hey, take a seat. Okay, so I was thinking we could do our project on the concept of an atom and the molecular structure of one and how they make up everything. Does that sound good to you? Max? Are you listening? Look, if you're tired, we can just hang out and do this later. It's fine.
No, I'm fine. I'm a little bit tired, but I know that this is due soon, so I wanted to get as much done as possible tonight.
Knock, knock, knock. Hey, did you finish the math homework?
Yes, I did finish it, but no, you can't copy.
Aw, man, come on.
No, you always ask to copy it, so just do it yourself for once.
Hey, you let us copy the homework and let you get back to your little date. Yeah, we'll let you get back to your little date after you give us that homework.
She said no.
Wow. knight in shining armor, coming to defend their princess.
Here. Take this. Get out.
Pleasure doing business with you.
Yeah, thanks. Nice job trying to be tough. You should just give up now.
Hey, are you okay? Is something wrong?
No, I'm fine. I'm just a little bit tired, you know. All those adventures are really taking a toll out of me.
Yeah. But if something was bothering you, you know you could come and talk to me about it, right?
Nothing's bothering me.
But if something was bothering you, you can always come and talk to me, okay?
Of course, yeah.
Listen, Max. If you need to talk about what happened to your mom, I'll listen. I know how much you loved her. I know it must be eating at you. And if you don't want to talk about it, that's okay too, but I'm just worried about you. You're my best friend.
I should get going.
I'm sorry.
You know how I feel about apologies.
Tomorrow's another day.
You made her feel really uncomfortable.
Such an idiot.
That one was all your fault. You created that distance. If she leaves you, what are you going to do?
You're not helping.
Hey, I'm a realist.
And I'm obviously a dreamer. Can you please give me another minute of silence?
No, you need to earn those. And messing up your chances with a crush who friend-zoned you years ago doesn't really classify as earning it.
I know I messed up. Can you please just go away?
You didn't just mess up. You messed up horribly.
Leave!
Are you starting to favor loneliness over me?
Listen, I already beat myself up enough about this today. Can you please just give me some time to calm down?
I'm good.
What can I do to get you to go away?
You think you can make me go away?
Fine. Wolf! 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 Somebody! Wolf! Why does he have to target me? Why can't he just leave me alone? It's times like this where I feel like it would be better off if I was just dead. But of course, I couldn't do something like that. It takes more guts than I have to pull a trigger. And so there I was, walking along the beach. The sun was just starting to set and the stars were coming out. It was so mesmerizing that you had to just stop and stare. And so I took a seat along the coast and I kept looking at the stars. And then I noticed that next to me was the wolf from before. Only this time he seemed to be a completely different creature because of his calm nature. He even let me pet him.
Wow. You pet a wolf that tried to kill you. Yeah. Forget about the extra detail. You pet a wolf. It's awesome.
Please. Like a wolf would actually let you pet him. Nice joke. Where did you find these idiots to believe you anyway? No wonder they're your friends.
Hey, Max. I forgot to show you something the last time you were at my house. Do you want to come over again? We can work on the project too, don't worry. And if you're tired, that's okay.
No, let's go. So, what was it that you wanted to show me?
Well, even now I'm kind of nervous to show you it. I feel bad waiting so long to give it to you. Your mom gave this to me to give to you when I felt you were ready, and I didn't have a good time to bring it up until now. I'm so sorry that I waited 6 months.
Saying sorry doesn't make anything better. So please don't say it. This letter is just going to be full of apologies.
Well, you never know. Maybe you should read it.
Can you read it to me?
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay. Dear Max, my precious child, I love you so much. Doctors say I have about a few weeks left at best. I'm leaving you all alone. I wish you had your father around to take care of you while you finish your last year of high school. I wish I could live to see my little one walk down the aisle for graduation, but it looks like fate had other plans. You're great. You got this in the bag. I believe in you, so take care. I understand if you hate me for leaving you like this. Trust me, I wish I could still be around for you. Remember, if you're ever in danger, please cry wolf. With all love, Mom.
Yep, that's about what I expected it to say.
Please cry wolf.
It's something she told me to say if I was ever in danger, because people would be more likely to come for help if I said wolf than help.
That makes sense, I guess. Max, all your stories, they always involve a wolf. Are you okay?
That's just a coincidence.
Max, I know your stories are just stories. I know they're not true, but can you please just let me help you, goddammit?
I'm fine.
Max, I'm fine is the biggest cry for help a person can scream.
I've come to go.
Good night, Max.
Good night.
So you finally gave her the letter?
Should I be feeling better about this?
Well, yes and no. Personally, I can't tell you how you should feel. Only you can decide that for yourself.
Well, how would you feel?
Hurt. Probably very hurt inside.
Why?
Well, in your situation, I probably would have just reopened wounds that were starting to heal. You should have never waited that long to give her the letter. A week maybe, but not 6 months.
Should I just not have given it to them?
That probably would have been fairer.
I'm just gonna pretend that everything's gonna be fine.
Things all affect people differently. Ever since she was little, Max has always been a sensitive kid. You know her enough to get to know all the little things about her. In fact, you're the only one that tries to get to know her. When she's crying wolf, be there for her. I don't want you to regret anything later on. When someone's down, it's nice to lean on someone they care about.
Thank you.
This girl is never going to date you.
I'm done with you.
Oh well, there's nothing you can do about it. After all, I am you.
You will never be me.
I am more of you than you think, and nothing can change that.
Hello?
Hey, Max. How we ended things yesterday. Can I come over?
It's late.
I know, but I just have this feeling I can't shake, and I just wanted to make sure you're okay.
Don't bother coming over. I'm fine, okay? I'll see you in school tomorrow.
So you're sick of me, huh?
Is it that obvious?
I thought you'd be more sick of your constant mistakes.
Stop!
If you really are sick of the pain of your constant mistakes, then how about you do something about it?
I'm not gonna kill myself.
You can't deny you definitely were thinking about it.
No, I wasn't.
Do it, Max.
Sophie needs me.
Like hell she needs you. You see what you're doing to her? You're destroying her. She was so much happier before getting caught up in your problems.
Well,
What was that? I couldn't hear you over your self-doubt.
stop!
You got this far. Just do it.
Sophie would miss me.
She'll move on. After all, you're feeling better from your mom's death.
That's true.
Just do it, Max.
Death isn't always the answer.
Yes. But it's such an easy solution, isn't it?
You're worse than the big bad wolf. You're a vampire, a demon, a creature that feeds on the bad thoughts of others.
You're such a burden to Sophie. Do you see what you're doing to her? Reaching onto her. You're ruining her life. Just do it, Max.
She was always there for me anyway.
All I am is your subconscious. I take on the form of the big bad wolf because I am the thing that scares you the most. Your inner thoughts. Do it.
I can't.
Do it.